There is a massive, highly confidential shockwave rippling through the Silicon Valleys of the world right now, and it centers around a machine that Apple never intended the public to discover this early. For the last several years, the laptop market has felt incredibly safe, predictable, and frankly boring. Apple found a winning formula with their aluminum blocks, transitioning smoothly through their M-series chips, delivering incredible battery life, and commanding an absolute monopoly over what a premium portable computer should be. Windows competitors scrambled to catch up, unleashing new architectures and artificial intelligence marketing campaigns just to match the baseline efficiency of a standard MacBook Air. The tech world had largely settled into a comfortable routine, accepting that laptops had reached their absolute peak form factor. We assumed that from here on out, changes would only be minor, incremental, and entirely uninspired. But behind the heavily guarded, deep underground research labs of Apple Park, a completely different reality was being engineered. Apple engineers realized that the traditional laptop architecture was racing toward a hard physical ceiling. They knew that simply adding another core to a processor, or making a chassis half a millimeter thinner, was no longer enough to maintain their dominance. As users demanded unprecedented computational power for complex local neural networks, real-time spatial computing rendering, and uncompromised structural modularity, Apple decided to quietly tear up their own legendary playbook. They didn't just design a new computer. They created an entirely new category of personal machine. Enter the Apple MacBook Neo 2. This is not a safe update, a refresh, or a rebranding of the Pro or Air lines. It is a radical, aggressive glimpse into the next decade of personal computing, an uncompromising powerhouse built to destroy the boundary between local muscle and absolute portability. To truly understand why the MacBook Neo 2 is causing a literal panic among rival hardware manufacturers, you have to look past the iconic glowing Apple logo and examine the fundamental engineering crisis it solves. Every single laptop in existence forces you to accept a brutal geometric compromise. If you want a thin, light machine that you can carry in a backpack all day without throwing out your back, you have to sacrifice thermal headroom, graphical power, and long-term upgradability. If you want a mobile workstation that can render complex 3D environments, edit raw 8K video streams, and compile massive datasets without bursting into flames, you are forced to carry a heavy, thick brick that screams with loud fan noise and dies within 2 hours of leaving a wall outlet. The MacBook Neo 2 completely shatters this compromise through a mind-blowing mechanical layout that engineers are calling a fluid architecture. When you first see the MacBook Neo 2 closed on a desk, it possesses a sleek, low-profile stance that feels impossibly minimalist. The chassis is forged from a highly advanced, ultra-dense magnesium-titanium composite that is significantly lighter than traditional aluminum, yet holds structural rigidity at a near-military level. But the real magic happens the moment you open the lid. Apple has completely redesigned the hinge system, integrating a dynamic tension mechanism that slightly lifts the rear base of the laptop off the desk surface. This isn't just an aesthetic trick. It uncovers a hidden, ultra-wide intake vent that utilizes a revolutionary solid-state cooling system. By utilizing microscopic ultrasonic cooling chips that move air with absolutely zero moving parts, the laptop remains completely silent even under maximum